Okay, you're ready to move on to the double, and that is page 93. So let's look at this a little bit. At the top, I like how it has the property, and then it has of addition and of multiplication. Just another way for you to look at it and to keep reinforcing. Commutative is A plus B equals B plus A. Doesn't matter what order. And in terms of multiplication, it's A times B and B times A. Doesn't matter what order, you're going to get the same answer. And then associative, you have A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C, and you group these here, and you group those there. Doesn't matter. And the same here. Grouping doesn't matter. If the order is exactly the same and you group them in different places, if it's all addition and all multiplication, it doesn't matter how you group it. It's associative. That's a property that is important. Then you also have identity, which says with addition, anything plus 0 is going to be the same thing. And for multiplication, it's anything times 1 is going to be the same thing. Okay, that's identity. And then 0, not applicable to addition. But in terms of multiplication, anything times 0 is going to be 0. And then the tricky one, distributive. You have A times this B plus C. So because A is times B plus C, you do A times B and A times C, and you add them. So here's your A times B, your A times C, you add them together. That's called distributive property. So let's do a couple of these. Number one, y equals something. So we have 16 times y equals 16. I see the answer is going to be the same as one of the parts in the problem. I'm thinking identity multiplication. If I make it 1, just like it is here, does that work? So I plug in 1. 16 times 1 is 16. Yay. I look at number 2. I have 12 plus 9, n plus 12, and the equals in the middle. Okay? So now, because of commutative addition, I can see that it doesn't matter. The 12 and 9 and the 12 and n can go either way. And because there's a 12 here and a 12 here, this is a 9, and that n has to be a 9. Doesn't matter which way you add them. So without doing any computation, I'm able to figure out that that n equals 9. And then 3 looks like the 0 property. Anything times 0 is going to be 0, so s is going to be 0. All right, go ahead and keep working on this page. Go all the way to 12. I do want to do one of these on the bottom, just to help you with that. Let's look at number 13. So I know that it's gonna match one of these over here. 2 parentheses 4a plus 3b. So I know I could distribute this. I can distribute the 2 to that and the 2 to that. So let's do it. I'm going to do 2 times